I had been hunting for a studio for about 20 years. So my artist practice had been based in the spare room of my flat. I'd set it up absolutely spot on, but I really needed to expand in space, in size of my work, in terms of what I could do, and I was looking for a space to be able to do that. I've been here roughly 3 years and it has been absolutely incredible. So it's just placed my artist practice on another level, on a very professional footing in terms of business, in terms of inviting clients to the studio. People step through the door of the building and they can feel the creative energy of it.
WASP currently operates 20 buildings across Scotland, everywhere from Selkirk to Shetland. We have residency spaces and we have studio buildings ranging from very small former primary schools right up to large mill buildings in the central belt of the country. We have over 1,000 creative people in our buildings. We are home to the largest cultural community in Scotland. So it was artists in Perth that came to us demanding the opportunity to have a home, similar to what we have in Dundee, in Glasgow and Edinburgh. So we met with those artists, we looked at the needs, we looked at the demand, and we secured funding to develop a business case to create a building and create a facility. And on the back of that, we realised there definitely is a need for creative space in Perth. And we worked with various partners to find this building that we're now in.
I knew what it could be, a community of creative people. And I think it's something that Perth really needed, because it's a very rural-based community, and a couple of decades ago, most of the artists didn't even know there were other artists in the area. It's really important, and it means that we don't have a talent drain out of Perth, because there's just so much going on and people really make it happen for themselves.
I think creativity is so important to the identity of Scotland. There is such an amazing talent in places like Perth Kinross, where providing that opportunity for space, for learning, for collaboration, you really can allow people to develop and flourish and add to the creative economy. In response to demand, we created 26 artist studios. We now have around 35 artists based in the building. We also have 15 creative industry spaces in response to the need for digital practices to have space in the city. We have the Famous Grouse Ideas Centre, which provides a wonderful resource for artists, makers, creative businesses across the region. It's equipped with state-of-the-art technology, everything from laser printers, 3D printers, smart boards, and all sorts of equipment that really is quite unusual to have access to on a free basis.
The building and the facilities really help Creative Printing, because we have a wealth of creatives to draw on for various different projects, and we can also help the creatives back in return. So it's very much a collaborative effort between the businesses and the artists and the creatives that work here.
It's just an inspiring, creative place. People want to be here because it inspires them, but also it's a great place. It's made artists more productive. It connects people who would be working in isolation, and it really has met a need to bring people together and collaborate and help develop creative economy in Perth.
I would say to anybody who's thinking about taking a studio here, take the plunge.
Get your name down fast.
It's a fantastic building, fantastic community, lots of lovely people here.
Anybody who wants to be part of that, I couldn't recommend it enough.